Welcome to another video on 11 plus maths learning, and this is about HCF and LCM. It's the second video in this series, and here in this video we'll talk about the problem sums, the word problems we use, which uses HCF and LCM and which come in 11 plus. Sometimes questions can be in the second stage of examination where there's some detailed lengthy answers, and sometimes it can be in the first stage as well. So we're looking at the problems, word problems based on HCF and LCM. All right. This is one of the question which appeared in Dulwich College specimen paper for the entrance exam to 11 plus, which is available on the internet. So I'll give you a couple of minutes, read this question, then we'll see how do we work this out. Okay then, so 3 buses stop at the stop, and they run every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes, and every 8 minutes. They will start at 10 o'clock at the same time, obviously, and we need to find when do they leave next from my stop together, and assuming all 3 buses run on time, which in general is not the case in London, but anyway, we assume that they all 3 run on time. So 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 8 minutes. We're looking for a number which appears in each of these times table, because first bus will run in 3 times tables: 10 o'clock, 10:03, 10:06, 10:09, and second bus run in 10 o'clock, 10:05, 10:10, 10:10, 10:15, and so on. And second bus service C will run on 10, 10:08, and 10:16, and so on. Okay, so we're looking to find the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, and 8. Right, because the numbers are very small, very simple. You can just work this out in your head, or looking at 8 times tables, or if you want to use the method, you can use the method we learned in the last video as well. So the LCM, if you already figured it out by now, LCM is going to be, actually it's a big number because they don't have any common factor in this, so it will be actually 120. I think 120 is the first number which comes in all the 3 times tables. You can start looking at 8, 120, 8 goes into 120, 5 goes into 120, 3 goes into 120. So they will be starting from the stop at the same time after 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. So that is 12 p.m. okay, in the afternoon. Thank you. Look for another problem. All right, this is another question. This time this is from Manchester Grammar entrance exam. I don't know which year is this, some past 2011, 2012, 2013, I don't know, but this is, have a look, have a read, then we work on this. So red light flashes 4 times a minute. That means it does every 15 seconds. And green light flashes 6 times a minute. It does every 10 seconds. And people, we were given that they both flash at the same time, so we're going to find out when would they flash next. So we're looking at a number which comes in 15 and 10 times table, and the first number which comes to your mind is 30 seconds. That's the LCM of 15 and 10. That means they flash together after every 30 seconds. So in 1 minute they flash together twice, 2 times in 1 minute, and in 1 hour it will be 2 times 60, 120. But then comes the important part. I would expect you to just have a look and tell me what's the important bit in here. The important part I was referring to comes from this line. How many times do the flash in same instant in 1 hour, including first and the last? Okay, so first minute, it starts at the beginning, then half a minute, then starts at the end. Okay, then on the second minute, if I take this starting at the end of the first minute, which is same as the 0 second of the second, so 0 and 30 for the first, 0 and 30 for the second, 0 and 30 for the third. That means every minute it flashes twice. Goes on 30 times, that gives you 120. Okay, minute it flashes twice, So twice into 60, that gives you 120. But then in the last minute, it goes on 60 times. It flashes 0 and 30, and it flashes at 60 as well. So guys, you have to add one more into it, and it is 121 times, including both the first and the last time. Right, so this is how we do LCM HCF problem. I'll see if I can find something else, otherwise we'll finish the video. Right, so third question is this one. I'll give you a minute to read. I'll pause the video, then we work on it and see the difference. There's a difference in this question and the previous two we've done. Right, and the difference is, one of them is 28 centimeters, well, it's 42 centimeters. We have to cut into equal side slices. Cut, that means what? We need to make the smaller pieces, but of those smaller, we want the largest, guys. So what is the hint? Smallest pieces are factors, common in both of them, and it has to be the highest, the largest piece. HCF of 28 and 42, which I'm very sure that you can find, and that will be 7 centimeter. So each cake should be cut 7 centimeters. This is it. These are the problems. We've done 2 problems with LCM, like this one and the previous one as well. Okay, both these problems were the LCM here, and there's one problem with the HCF. Okay, guys, I'll finish the video with this. Happy learning. Let me know how it's going. We'll come back to you with another video, 11+. Keep enjoying your work, guys. Bye. Bye for now.